firm believers in the circular economy, Castolin Eutectic assists recycling plants with their maintenance issues. We offer fast and durable repairs for all recycling branches: waste incineration, construction and demolition debris recycling, sewage plants, automobile and tire recycling, glass recycling, general waste. Let's see the Castolin Eutectic solutions for each recycling branch. Waste incineration. Our coating solutions have high resistance and prevent cracking while keeping costs to a minimum. Construction and demolition debris recycling. There are 3 operations. Collection. The decanter ring has its blades exposed to severe erosion and can be rebuilt with our help and coated accordingly to reboost efficiency. Separation and screening. The compressor wheel often needs its profile to be rebuilt. Our services ensure fast repairs that lead to 200% longer lifetime. Crushing. The crusher disc can encounter severe wear. Fortunately, we have multiple solutions that imply major cost savings and increased wear resistance. Sewage plants. When damaged, the pump housing can be restored in a rapid welding intervention using our wires and electrodes that also increase crack resistance. Automobile recycling. The breaker teeth need an alloy that is temper resistant, just like the ones we have to offer. The repair is economic and gives long-lasting results. Glass recycling. To avoid part replacement every 6 months, we reinforce the crusher with CDP wear plates, extending its service life to over 3 years. General waste. The fan rotor blade can be eroded in just 2 weeks. By using Castolin Eutectic wear plates, efficiency is guaranteed again. We offer productivity enhancement solutions for the toughest industrial wear problems. Join our smart maintenance program for the recycling industry.